Hello everyone. Now in this video we will learn how to solve identities. Identities which will help you to solve second chapter exercise number 2.5. So let's see how to solve. The first identity which is given in your exercise is a plus b whole square. In class 8th you have learned it a square plus 2ab plus b square. How to solve? That also we have learned in class 8th. A plus b whole square means a plus b multiplied by a plus b. It means this a plus b will be multiplied by this whole bracket and this b is also multiplied with this whole bracket. First this a will be multiplied by whole bracket, then this b will also be multiplied with this whole bracket. So it means I can write a multiply with bracket a plus b, then plus b, so we'll write here plus b is also multiplied with a plus b whole bracket. Now a multiply a is a square, a multiply with b is ab, b multiply by a is also ab, and b multiply by b equals to b square. So a square plus b square, ab plus ab is equals to 2ab. So this is our first identity. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If the identity is given in minus, then also by same method we'll get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Now the third identity is a plus b plus c whole square. So the solution will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. How to solve? A plus b plus c multiply by a plus b plus c. This is only the meaning of square. Now we can say a multiply with this whole bracket, so a multiply with a plus b plus c. Now this plus b will also be multiplied with a plus b plus c. Now this plus c is also multiplied with a plus b plus c. A multiplied by a is equals to a square. A multiplied with b is equals to ab. A multiplied by c is equals to ac. B multiplied by with ab. B multiplied with b equals to b square. B multiplied by c is equals to cb. C multiplied by with multiply by a, so it will be ac. C with b is it will be cb. Now c with c is equals to c square. Now a square, b square, c square. So I can write a square plus b square plus c square. Now ab and ab. So ab plus ab is equals to 2ab. AC and AC means 2AC, and here CB is equals to CB means 2CB, right? So here we got this one value. Fine. Now one more identity is there, that is a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. How to solve? Same, a multiply with a minus b plus b multiply with a minus b. So a multiply a square, a multiply with b minus ab, b multiply with a is plus ab, and this will be minus b square. Plus minus minus. Now a square minus b square minus ab plus ab. Minus plus will be minus, so deducted, so it will be cut from each other. So now we got a square minus b square. So today Right now we have learned three identity, 1, 2, this is the third identity, and this one is the fourth identity. So we have learned 4 identities here. These all identities were the quadratic identities, means the identity which has the power 2, which has the maximum. Now we will learn some cubic identities, which means the digits, they are the algebraic expressions which has the power 3. So we will write here the first identity, that is a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube, the solution will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. How to solve it? A minus b multiply a minus b multiply a minus b. A minus b, a minus b. We have already learned in cubic identity a minus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Multiply with a minus b. It means this a will be multiplied with this whole term, and this b is also multiplied with this whole term. So a multiply with a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b is multiplied with a square minus 2ab plus b square. A multiply with a square equals to a cube minus 2a square b. A and a power will be plus. A multiply with b square is equals to plus ab square. B with a is equals to minus a square b. Minus minus will be plus, so 2a b square minus plus will be minus b cube. Now a cube minus b cube minus 2a square b and minus a square b. Minus 2a square b and minus a square b is equals to minus 3a square b. Both are having same sign. Minus minus will be plus and sign of the greater number. AB plus AB square, and here 2AB square. So will be 3AB square. So this is the identity of A minus B whole cube. Next is A plus B whole cube. It is the same identity, only difference is here we are having minus sign and here we are having plus sign. If all the digits are in the plus sign, so obviously solution will be same. The difference is only of sign, so all sign will be with the plus only. All the terms will be with the plus sign only. Same solution, we will get this value. So this is the cubic identity. One more identity is there, a cube minus b cube minus c cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now we are going to learn the next identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And the solution is a plus b plus c multiplied with a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Let's prove it. So we will take this one term, a plus b plus c, multiply with this whole term. So it means a multiply with this whole term. So a multiply with whole term, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So first we'll solve this, then we'll go for the next. So a multiply with a square is equals to a cube. A multiply with b square is equals to ab square. A with c is ac square. Here if I'll multiply, I'll get a square b. If I'll multiply here, I'll get minus abc, and here I'll get ca square. Fine. This is my equation number 1 because I have multiplied with first term, so I have given here the number 1. Now let's multiply second term, that is b. Multiply with a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. B with a square, so obviously this is a square b. Here it will be b cube, same as we have multiplied. So in the same way we will do it again, bc square and here also I made some mistake. So here if I multiply b into bc, it will be minus b square c, and if I multiply here I will get minus abc. This is my equation number 2. Now this third digit will be multiplied same way. A square c, yeah, or we can write c a square. So a square c and ac square both are the same term. Equation number 3. Now let's solve all three equations because all the digits were with the plus sign, so we will plus. So now we will plus all three equations. The first equation was a cube plus ab square plus ac square minus a square b minus abc minus ca square. And the second equation was a square b, so I will write here plus a square b because they are same term, plus b cube, so I'll write here plus b cube, then plus bc square. I don't have any bc square here, so I'm writing separately only. So here this b cube I'm shifting here, and here I can write plus bc square. The next term is minus ab square. So here I'll write minus ab square. Both are the same term. The next is minus b square c. So I don't have any b square c. So that is also I'll write somewhere else. So I'm writing this side. My paper is not that much broad. And again minus abc. So here I'll write minus abc. The third equation was plus a square c. So here a square c, so I'll written here plus a square c, वही c a square की चीज़ें दोनों, plus b square c, so I have here b square c, so plus b square c plus c cube. I'm writing here only all cube terms. Obviously these are not same term, but still I'm writing here minus abc, so here minus abc minus bc square, here I'll write minus bc square minus a square c, so a square c, ac square. Now we will solve all these three terms, all these three equations. a cube plus b cube plus c cube, obviously ये तो होना ही है हमारे पास. ABC, ABC, ABC. So minus 3ABC. B square C plus B square C. Deducted. AB square minus AB square. AC square minus AC square. A square B, A square B. CA square, CA square. BC square minus BC square. All terms are deducted. Only this is we are getting, which was at the identity. Fine. So this is third identity of cubic term.